Hi team, good morning everyone. So coming to the today's class, I've been going to be teach the further concepts. Everyone is ready? Everyone is ready.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, it's fine. I'm sharing my screen. Tanya, what I discussed in yesterday class? Tanya, can you please give me the glance? What I had been discussed in yesterday class? Tanya, can you please give me the glance? Raju, Raju, are you there? Can you
Yes,
please
yes,
give me the yeah? Can you please give me the glance what I had been discussed in yesterday class?
conditional statements. I think loop and loop, while
Yeah, I
and do while.
discussed. Yes, I discussed about the conditional statements, looping
Yes.
statements, and also for loop, while loop, do while loop, which had been discussed in yesterday class. Okay, let me try to continue. So, firstly, let me try to discuss like one more example in for loop. Then I will start the arrays. Okay, after completion of that, I'll start the list concept. Okay, it's very important concept. So, first of all, let me try to print the write an Apex program to print the mathematical table. Okay, mathematical table. For example, if you given 2 means it will give 2 table. For example, if you given 3 means 3 table. Like that it is used to give. Okay. So it will print the mathematical table. Everyone understood my scenario? Everyone understood my scenario?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me try to print the mathematical table. Just I'm supplying the input from the parameters. Okay, just I'm printing the 10 steps. Yeah, whatever the max number entered, it will take that particular number. Okay, just I'm printing the 10 steps. Okay, I'm printing the 10 steps. So whatever it may be, I'm printing the 10 steps. So I'm printing the 10 steps system.debug of so max number. So I'm printing the 10 steps max number into plus counter the max number into counter. For example, initially 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Again, it will be incremented second time. Counter will become 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Again, counter will be incremented to 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Like this, it will calculate up to 10 steps. Like this, it will calculate up to 10 steps. Let us see the output. For example, if we pass it 3, immediately it will print output for 3 table like that. Let me try to open the execute anonymous window. You can click on execute. I did not click on open logs. Okay, logs will not be opened. You need to click this. Then only the logs will be opened. Click on debug only. Yes, everyone able to see the 5 table because I passed 5 as a parameter. That's why I see in the 5 table. Everyone able to see the 5 table?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, yesterday I discussed some other program. This is one of the program. I hope it's absolutely fine. Anyone have any queries on looping statements? Anyone have any queries on the looping statement?
Not in the looping statement, but just now we have seen the logs now, Venkat. So we have different options like this frame. So what are those issue? Probably it might come in future classes. Just out of
Which one?
curiosity.
Which one?
No, open the logs. Open the logs.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see this frame executable. So what are those options?
Like whenever if you executed the data, immediately it will go with the flow. Okay, first of all it will verify with the class name, then it will verify the class name dot method name. That's it. Okay, then it will verify each and everything, but we cannot consider all these things. It will execute step by step. First it execute 5 into 1, then 5 into 2, then 5 into 3, then 5 into 4, then 5 into 6, just to, and we'll get all the data one by one. Okay, but we did not require, just if you click on debug on exact output we'll get it. Okay, if we see in that particular thing means it will become some confusion. If you click on debug only you'll get the exact output, no need of seeing that.
Okay, Venkat.
Okay, just I hope it's absolutely fine related to these things which is a looping statement. Let us see arrays. Okay, let us see arrays. What is arrays? But I hope so in other languages like Java, Python. Okay, they will use array as a most, but will not use array in our classes. We'll go with the list set and map only. But I'll discuss array also. Once I'll discuss it one or two examples. But we will not use array in our coming classes. We'll use only list set and map. Array is used to store collection of homogeneous elements. Okay, but array can store the similar data types. I will ask you one question. Okay, like whenever we are dealing with the information account, contact, opportunity, there are different data types or a single data type. Inside the account, we have multiple fields. Okay, multiple fields are different data types. Inside the opportunity, we have multiple fields. That multiple fields are different data types. Anyone observed that? Okay, we need to hold all the values. Array is not a dynamic, it is a static. Okay, let me try to prepare the syntax of a data type. Array name. Okay, we need to define the size, fixed size, whatever it may be, at initial size only, and it's initialization only. For example, if you want to store integer values, for example, I'm holding integer values. Okay, just initial only I need to assign. For example, if I'm assigning the string values, like this initially only, array name is your wish. You can give any name. At initialization only, you need to initialize each and everything. Like this. Everyone able to understand what I'm defining? Everyone able to understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
previously I discussed about a for each loop. I did not discuss, just I told about that's it. For each loop is there. Okay, so to iterate the data of list collection and array collection or whatever it may be, we'll use a for each loop in the upcoming classes. Okay, we'll not use for loop also, we'll use for each loop only. Okay, data type, instance name, array name. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, let us see. Let us see the one program, then you can able to understand somewhat better way. Okay, right. Define an array. Just they are saying that I need to define an array and print the array elements. Okay, let's see. And array starts with the index 0. Array starts with index 0. Okay, let's see. Let's go to debug logs. And another thing I want to convey, the people who did not register means for our training, so kindly please complete the registration. The people who done the registration means it's absolutely fine. Yeah. Let me try to click on file, click on new. Mostly from Monday, link will be changed. It is showing duplicate. Rajesh, why it is showing duplicate? Tanya, why it is showing duplicate? Tanya, why it is showing duplicate? Tanya, you're listening the class or not? Tanya, I think Tanya is not
Yes, I
listening.
am. Yes, I am.
Yeah, it is showing duplicate. Any reason?
Because we have
Because
written the same statement twice.
yeah, because the same Apex class I written, same Apex class name. That is the reason. Okay, then I can understand Tanya is a morning shift. It's very difficult, but yeah, this is the right time to learn Tanya. Just for 1 hour.
Yes, yes, yes.
Just I'm assigning the 5 values. Okay, just if you want to print the customer codes, what will become? It will become null because I did not define any values. Okay, I did not define any value. That's why it will be null. You can able to see. Let me try to debug. Open execute anonymous window. I'm copying the apex array one dot enable the open logs option. Click on execute. And I did not. I'm not seeing any executions in the group. Kindly please send you the execution screenshots in the WhatsApp group available. Yes, everyone able to see it is null. Why it is null? Anyone can give me the answer why it is null. James, why it is null inside the debug logs? James,
Not finding the result?
yes, the result is null. Why? Any reason?
We did not assign.
Yeah, it was not
Yes, I did
assigned. It
not.
didn't, it
Yes,
didn't find the result.
yes, I did not assign any value. That's why at the end of the result I had been got null. That's the reason. Okay, let me try to assign it. Okay, it start with 0th index and it will go up to size -1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, size -1 and it starts with 0th index. Okay, if you print the customer codes again, it will print all the data successfully. Okay, let me try to click on execute. Yeah. Everyone able to see the output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, for example, I want to iterate the data. Okay, I want to iterate the data. I want to print each and every data one by one. You can able to see. Just integer starts with 0. I less than. Okay, it should be 4. I plus plus. That's by using for loop, I'm printing. I'm not using for each loop. Let's use for each also. System.debug of Yes, everyone able to see, just I got an output 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, 0 less than 4, 1 less than 4, 2 less than 4, 3 less than 4, and 4 is not less than 4. That's why it is been printing first 3 elements only, first 4 elements only, instead of printing fifth element. Everyone able to see 10, 20, 30, 40. Everyone able to see it output.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let's use for each loop also. Okay, here the data type is integer. Okay, I'm using instance name is jet. You can use anything, and I'm using array name here. And the coming classes will get a for each loop only mostly. Okay, let's print the instance. Yeah, each and every data will be printed. Yes, everyone able to say I got the data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 from here, from 24th line onwards. Just execution. This is the thing. And
So what is the difference, Venkat, for and for each colon and
and
semicolon?
yeah, that's it. But in real time, we'll use a for each loop only instead of using for loop. Yeah, to iterate the data, whatever the which we retrieve from account object, contact object. Okay, we'll use a for each loop only in the real time also. We'll not use any for loop. Okay, let's see for each concept multiple in Apex classes. Yeah, just only in the single I discussed it. Syntax will be different in between the for loop and for each. Okay, define an array to manage a collection of string elements. They are saying that I need to define an array to manage the collection of string elements. Okay, just I'm assigning the string values. Okay, initialize at starting stages only I initialized. Okay, the values. Then I'm iterating the data. Okay, one by one the country will be printed. And so we have integer. Just I'm initializing the integer values. Okay, I'm initializing the values. Now I'm using a for loop to iterate the data. Okay, this is the thing. Control S. I'm saving this data. Control S. I saved this data successfully. Okay, just I initialize the country names and after that I iterated the data by using for each loop. Similarly, I initialize the data by using integer and I used a for each loop to iterate the data. Let's see the executed output. Open execute anonymous data method 2. Yes, everyone able to see the output? India, USA, UK, UAE, Canada.
Venkat, can you please explain logic for this? I mean, this 1 to 10, it is not taking. um,
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so first of all, here the data type is integer. Okay, initializing the data. Then after that, I'm mentioning the array name. Okay, first of all, it will iterate the data. It will print the one. Again, I'm iterating the data. It will print two. Okay, until the last, it will print all the data. Then it will print until last, whatever the information, it will print all the data in the debug logs. Then it will come to the outside and it will print the information. That's it. Rajesh, it is
okay,
printing.
okay. So here we don't need to mention the increment order. I mean, for
No,
each loop that we
automatically,
take.
no, no,
Okay, okay.
automatically it will take, because in the real
Oh,
time we'll take the account records, contact records, opportunity records to iterate the data. No need of increment because we cannot estimate how many records are there. Either we can retrieve 1,000 records, sometimes 100 records. We cannot estimate how many records.
okay,
That's why
Venkat.
we'll use it for each loop to iterate the data. Tanya, everyone able to understand James? James, you are understanding what I'm discussing?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. And another thing is define an array but in real time we'll not use array because array is a static. It's not dynamic. Okay, we need dynamic. We cannot estimate how many records we retrieved. Okay, define an array to manage a collection of account numbers. They're saying that I need to manage a collection of account numbers. Let's see. And let's create another method. I'm not saying any, Rajesh, you are practicing. James,
Yes, Venkat, but not from 2 days. I was
why?
busy with my office work and personal work. So I
Okay,
have
I'm
time
saying
today and tomorrow.
1 minute. Everyone, please practice it and send a screenshot because the practice is necessary. If you practiced only, then only you'll get the things.
I have been practicing the code, but yes, I still needing like see the practical way that we are gonna use the methods.
No, no, James need practice because when you practice, you'll get some errors. Okay, when you got some errors, you will see that how to rectify it. Then from that errors you'll learn. Okay, so practice is very important, James.
Yes, yeah, no, sure. I'm practicing. I'm practicing. I just like cannot understand how the methods and the code is gonna be applied on the page, on the application.
Okay, on the application, just I'm discussing some basics, James, on the application, like because these basics have been useful for the triggers and asynchronous programming. When you're discussing triggers, then we will make you to understand how it will be triggered under the application. Okay,
Understood. Yeah,
yeah, because these are the fundamentals we are building. When we learned all these concepts from the SOQL concepts onwards, okay, then it should be.
makes sense. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, just I'm taking the account IDs. That's it. I'm not doing anything. And I'm iterating the account IDs and I'm printing the account IDs. That's it. I'm copying the account IDs. Okay, let me try to use for each loop. Okay, I'm taking array. Okay, now you can able to see the output with iterated account numbers. If you click on debug, open, execute anonymous window, method 3. Everyone I'm saying that please practice because when you practice, then only you'll identify how the Apex programming structures everything. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Yeah. Click on execute. Enable the open logs option. Click on debug only. Is everyone able to see the account IDs?
Yeah, Venkat.
Yes. Is it
Yes.
possible to print all these outputs in single line?
Single line is not possible. One by one it will print. Okay.
Oh,
Single line. Yeah. Because yes, it is possible. If you did not use any for each loop means it is possible. Okay. If you print system.debug of ACC, where it happened. Apex array 1 na? Single line it is possible. I'll show you. Because I want to discuss for each loop. That's why I'm going. One by one it is iterating and printing. Okay, if you use a single line means all the data it will be printed under the single line. Yes, everyone able to see it printed on the single line?
Yes.
Yeah, but I want to
yes.
use a for each loop. Use of for each loop. Okay, that is the main structure I'm discussing this. Yeah. Anyone have any, like everyone able to understand arrays concept or any queries from anyone? Arrays concept, anyone have any queries? Array is not that much of important. Yeah, just only for your understanding purpose I discussed. Anyone have any queries on arrays concept? If you don't have queries means I'll start with the collections. Okay, let me try to discuss for next half an hour for collection, list collection. Anyone have any queries?
As of now, no.
Okay. What about Raju, Radha, James, Shravani, Tanya?
No, Venkat.
No.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
Venkat. I
Okay,
understood.
No.
fine. Then okay, then fine. I'll start with the concept of the list collection. Okay, so what is the use of collection? And what is the difference between the arrays and collection? Mainly I'll tell some of the points. Okay, array is a fixed size. Okay, we cannot define the data, we cannot define dynamically. Okay, but list is a dynamic. Okay, so we can increase it as per the requirement. Okay, you can increase it. Okay, like as per the requirement. It is dynamic and it stores elements of different data types. So there are multiple methods. There are inbuilt methods from list collection. Okay, by using that work will become easy. Yeah, how to define? So just there are three types of collections. Okay, list, set and map. Okay, so what is the structure? List, data type. Okay, like list name, anything. It's your wish. List name, new. Okay, for example, I want to store the integer. Okay, just imagine. Okay, like this. List name, it's your wish. You can mention anything. Okay, just imagine if you want to store the account details. If you want to store the account details, list name, it's your wish. You can mention anything. I'm saying again. Okay, if you want to store the hiring manager details, you need to mention the API name. Okay, anything. It's your wish. List name, it's your wish. I'm saying again. Okay, this is the structure. Everyone after completion of the class, list collection is very, very important. Please practice it. This is the thing. Like this. Okay, let us see. There are different types. So first of all, let's see some theoretical points. Then I'll go the practical part. Yeah. Okay, there are some inbuilt methods from the list collection. Let's see each and everything. Okay, so first of all, let's see add. Okay, list also will be started with index position 0. Okay. Okay, there are different types of methods under the list collection. Let's see each and everything. Add. Okay, add method is nothing but it adds elements to the list collection. Okay, like for example, initially it should be apex. Is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes,
Yeah.
Venkat.
Okay, I'll explain practically also. First of all, I'm explaining theoretically, then I will explain practically. Okay, for example, by using add. Okay, again that particular element it will be added at the end of the list collection. Add is nothing but it is used to add the element. Add add of index position. For example, if you want to add particular element at that appropriate index position. Previously, set first position we have India. If you mention first position as USA, immediately USA will be added first position. This is the thing. Okay, like add all. Like if you define some array or list, okay, like previously there are some data is there. Apex, USA, America. If you want to add all the elements, Australia, Japan, China, each and everything USA, each and everything is been added at the end of the list collection. Add all. Add all is nothing but it is easy to add one array to another, one list to another list. Okay, like this. Or one list to another array. Yeah. I'll discuss some practically also. Just I'm discussing some theoretical points. That's it. And is empty. Is empty is nothing but it verifies whether the list is empty or it is occupied with some values. Is empty. And size is nothing but it returns the size of the list. Okay, either whatever the elements. Yeah. Index position. Okay, if you want to get a specified index position, okay, get of 2. Immediately you will get America like this. Yeah, let's see different things. And contains. If you want to verify whether any element present in the list collection, okay, to verify the element present inside the list collection, okay, to verify the element, whether the element is presented, whether India is presented or not. If India is presented, then element found. If India is not presented, element not found. Yeah. Don't by head this method, just will practically apply it. That's it. Yeah. Index of. Index of is nothing but will identify the index position of the list. Okay, like index of India is 20. Okay, we'll get the index position. That's it. And we have remove. Remove is nothing but it removes the element. Okay, from the list collection. Clear. It clears all the elements. Yeah. Sort is nothing but it sorts element in an ascending order. Everyone is understanding what I'm teaching. Everyone is understanding.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't
So
confuse.
by
These are all the things. We'll practically apply it. Yeah, Rajesh,
so by
please
default,
continue.
sort means ascending order. In order
Yes.
to get in descending order, do we need to mention other?
Yeah, we need to write some separate code. Okay, I'll
Hmm.
mention. Okay, clone. Clone is nothing but it stores all the elements. Okay, it stores a backup copy, whatever it may be. And equals. Equals is nothing but it verifies the two collections. Okay, it verifies the two collections whether it's equal or not. Yeah. And set. I'll see. Set also. Let's see. Let's go and let's explore more. Let's create one Apex programming and let's explore more. I'm saying again to everyone, the people, everyone, okay, like the people who are listening or the people who did not attending the class, okay, they're seeing the recording, okay, kindly please practice. If you did not practice, means nothing will get. If you practice only, then only you'll get the things. Yeah. Okay, let us creating an Apex program. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, just first time I'm defining the list collection. List is very important. Okay, just I'm storing the customer names. Okay, just I want to print the collection size. System.debug of. Okay, what is the collection size presently? It is empty. Okay, you can able to see the collection size is 0 because I did not define any values. Okay, let me try to add the elements. Just I'm adding some values. Okay, just okay, just let's randomly add our students' names only. Okay, just I'm adding our students' value only. Okay, if you want to print the list collection. Okay, system.debug of. Okay, if you want to print the size, then it will print the size whatever it may be. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, let me try to click on execute. You can able to see the output. Yes. Everyone able to see the output? So why the collection size is 7? Because I inserted the 7 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's it. 7 values. Yeah, that everyone understanding what I'm doing?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
Okay. Let
Yes.
me try to add. Okay, let me try to add at specified index position. I'm adding Australia. Now you can able to see it. Okay, like first position. Okay, like James will be shifted to second position. You can able to see it now. If you click down. Okay, let us add some more statement and then let's see. Okay, let's add the country names also. Okay, just I'm adding country names also. Okay, I'm adding the country names also. Customer names dot add all. Okay, just I'm adding all the country names. Okay, if you want to print these customer names. Okay, you can able to see the output. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Okay, you can click on execute button, immediately you'll able to see the output. Okay, click on debug only. Is everyone able to see? So James is shifted to the left side. Everyone able to see it.
Yes.
And the 23rd line. And another thing is, like whatever the USA UK added, it is added at the end. Okay, like for example, if the output is extended, it will come as like a dot dot dot. Yeah. If you want to print the information, then we'll use a for each loop or whatever it may be. Then it will print the information one by one. Everyone able to say USA UK. It
So
has
we
been
cannot
added at the end.
total, we cannot see total output, Venkat,
No, no,
in
no.
the.
Will not get. Will not get exactly if you want to print in one line. Okay, if you want to get the output means then we can use a for each loop. Okay, then it will get the data. Okay, we need to use a for each loop.
Okay.
Okay, if you use a system.debug, then you will print. Immediately one by one the data will be printed. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window, click on execute button. Yes, everyone able to see? At last it is printing. Ramesh, Australia, one by one it is printing. Yeah. Note this point. Yeah. That's why we're using for each loop only in upcoming classes also. Yeah, let's see other. Okay, I want to search for an element. Okay, like I'm searching. Customer name contains a Germany. Okay, I'm verifying whether the customer name contains a Germany or not. If the customer name contains a Germany, it will bring system.debug of.
And write code for index also.
Yes, I'm writing. Please wait. Yeah. System.debug of element index position of Germany. I'm writing Rajesh. Rajesh. Okay, immediately it will print the index of Germany. Okay, I'm printing. Then okay, element not found. Okay, Control S. I'm saving the data. Okay, Control S. I'm saving the data. Immediately it will print the index position. First of all, it will verify whether we have an index position with the Germany or not. If we have index position, if we have Germany, immediately the Germany data will be printed. And otherwise, it will print element not found. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Click on execute. Yes, everyone able to say I got element index position of Germany 12. Yeah, this is the thing. Everyone able to understand what I'm doing? Everyone able to
Yes, Venkat.
understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Just I'm going one by one. That's it. I'm going one by one. Yeah. If you want to sort the elements. Okay, I'm saying again, like for ascending order, okay, we have this thing automatically. If you want to sort the descending order, okay, then you need to use a for each loop to iterate the data, and like that you need to do. Yeah. Okay, click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Click on execute. Yes. Everyone able to see? Just it has been sorted. Firstly, it has been declared with capital E. After that, India. Everyone able to see it?
Yes.
Okay, if you want to sort the descending order, okay, just we need to write some piece of code. Sort the list elements in descending order. Apex. Yeah, just let I'm showing you how the things. Okay, automatically it will sort in ascending order. Yeah. Okay, if you want to sort in descending order, there is a separate function DESC. You can able to see it. DESC. Okay, let's see the DESC also. Ascending order by default. Okay. Let's see. I'm not sure. Let's see what will be. I hope it's an error.
Venkat, can you please hide that notification? Stop sharing, hide.
Okay. Yeah, it's not coming. Let's see it. No worries. See, everyone able to see the code? Yeah, it is storing in another result. Okay. I greater than or equal to 0. Everyone able to see it. Okay, for
Yes.
each and everything. So we have some coding. No worries. Okay. Each and everything we have some codings. But in real time, like whatever it may be, just whatever in the SQL query only will mention. Okay, in the SQL query only will mention whether it is in descending order, whatever it may be in the SQL query only. Okay, will mention each and everything. No need of mentioning inside the for each loop. Okay, no need of mentioning inside the for each loop. Inside the ascending order only, I'll mention. When we are retrieving the account records or whatever it may be inside the SQL query, will mention that based on our conditions, which records I need to retrieve. Only whatever the records I retrieved, this for each loop to iterate the data. That's it. Okay, let's replace the element. Okay, for example, if the customer names contains USA, for example, is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, for example, if the customer name contains USA, okay, let's see. Where are the customer names? Yes, it has a capital, small letters. Okay, for example, if the customer name contains USA, okay, I'm modifying. Okay, just I'm identifying the index position. Okay, just I'm modifying with United States. Okay, I'm modifying with previously. For example, if the customer name have contains USA, then I'm modifying. Okay, customer names USA with United States. Everyone able to see this? Everyone
Yes.
able to see? Okay, for example, if the customer does not have USA, then it will print system.debug of element not found. If the data is there, means it will sort like it will modify the data and update the data. It will be printed. List index out of bound exception at 51st line. because it's a capital letter, not small letter. Because you can able to see here capital. Let me try to click on execute. Now it has been executed. Click on debug only. Yes. Like USA, UK is in between the middle. That's why it is not printing. So anyone remembered at starting we have UK. Previously we have USA previously. Anyone remembered?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. It has been immediately USA will be replaced with United States. Okay. USA has been replaced with United States. Yeah. This is the thing. Everyone is understanding what I'm teaching. Don't by head. Just only practice once by seeing in the notepad file. Okay, like whatever the customer names, I'm copying to another list by using clone method. Just whatever the data, just I'm copying to the backup copy.
Venkat, will we have to write codes in the interview if they ask us?
Like Tanya in the interview, they will ask the triggers concept. Okay, like who is this asked? Tanya. In the interviews, they will
Yes.
ask triggers and asynchronous programming. Tanya, they will not ask this thing. Like we'll apply list set and map inside the triggers. In like we'll call Apex class from the triggers inside the Apex class. We'll write it. But it's easy only, Tanya. No worries. Okay, please practice from today. Like whatever it may be, every day it's easy only, Tanya. Okay, we can write the course easily in the interviews also.
Okay.
Okay, just I'm creating backup copy. If you want to print the okay backup copy will be printed. Yes, everyone able to see same whatever information inside the customer name, same things I printed. Everyone able to see it at
Yeah.
62 line. 62 line. Yeah, this is the thing. Okay, I want to clear all the data. Okay, I want to clear all the data. Okay, we'll use a clear method. Okay, after clearing the data, I want to print the size. Okay, after clearing the data, definitely the size will be 0. After clearing the data, the size will be 0. You can able to see. It's a 64 and 65th line. Okay, you can able to see. Everyone able to see 65th line output. So whatever the output line, the same output line it is printing. You can easily get the clear picture. 65th line. Everyone able to see the collection size 0.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope I given some clear picture on these methods. Okay, let's see the subject data types. Okay, other things in Monday. Okay, like we have some other concepts also in the list, like nested list collection. Yeah, let's see some other. Just only explained some methods which are presented inside the list collection in today's class. Okay, let's see hiring manager adding to the data to the list collection, and let's see with the subject data types, and let's see each and every other scenarios in tomorrow, like in Monday class, and also set collection, whatever it is possible map. Let's say in Monday. Okay, this is about today's class. Anyone
Okay,
have any
Venkat.
queries on the list collection? Anyone have any queries?
And
Once
we are
please
gonna have to practice
practice.
a lot.
Yes, yes, need practice. Yes, yes, I'll agree. I'm stopping the recording. Thank you, team, for joining the today's class. Thank you. Bye.